This is a slide that has been stained with Indian ink. It's negatively stained. It's quite pale grey. Hopefully the ink won't be staining the cells, but it'll stain the area around them. So let's see if we can see some cells. So I'm going to clip the slide in to the holder carefully so I can move it around. Now using the 4x objective lens, I'm going to focus that. First of all, you always start from lowest magnification. And we can't see individual cells. These black dots are, I think, the ink that's precipitated come out of solution, so we can ignore those. Now I have to go through the lenses. So I'm now using the 10x objective lens. And let's just focus that. We're starting to see possible cells there. See these sausage-shaped things there. So now I'm going to go to the 40x objective. And then we're going to focus that on the screen. We can already see some nice rods. I'm going to move the slide. I think I want that one in the middle. Oops. Let's bring that over. And a bit. Because when I go to the last lens, we're going to zoom into this area here. Now, to put for the last 100x lens, you need to use immersion oil. So I move the lenses to one side. There's no lens there. Don't take the slide out. Don't change the focus, because once you put the next lens in, it's going to be nearly in focus. I put a drop of oil where the light is coming up, which is the bit I'm going to be focusing on. One drop of oil. And then move the lens in. It will be very close, dipping in the oil. And then we have to focus very gently. Now, the image I see through the lens is actually better quality than this, but I don't know if you can see, there's 3 sausage shapes going in a row, like a string of sausages. Each one of those is called a rod. There's some here. There's a nice pair of 2 here. These cells are actually characterized by having quite straight sides and almost box-like ends in some cases. So that's the image. I'm going to record that image for snap that. What I should also just remind you, when you've finished looking at these slides, turn the lens away. You can take the slide out. Do make sure that you clean any oil off both the 100x objective and the 40x in case you've got some on there as well, because the oil will interfere with the glue on the lens.